If you want to know how to get out of drag, like the tutorial, here it goes. Also, guess what? Like, whenever I strip, I like a snack, a little stripping snack. These are my favorite things. They're like strawberry Rice Krispie treat bars. You're vegan. I have they're organic. I have sea salt. I don't want to take it off. I don't want to take it off. It feels so pretty. Aww. If you're here for OnlyFans stuff, you can keep looking. It's gonna happen at the end. Then you go to OnlyFans. Oh, look at there. What do you want to see? Ooh. But yeah, if you want to see, put the coin on the dresser. Rub yourself raw on my account. I do not mind. Go look, honey, because it looks good. Get it before gravity does, baby. Let me tell you. I'm like, where am I looking? Oh, the camera's down there. Oh, shit. Hi. So many people ask me like about like getting in drag and stuff, but they don't ask me about getting out of it ever. Some of you want to see me get out of drag, so like, let me show you with my 3 nails left. But they're good ones, right? LA all day. I'm gonna take off the rest of these nails. That's the first thing when you get out of drag. The first thing you do is you take off your nails. Ooh, and I was beautiful today because I was working. Hey! Yeah! Yeah! I was working with my sister Naomi Smalls. I was like, I'm standing next to her. I'm putting on some cosmetics.
I literally was so glad.
Hi, how are you? I saw Go Wigger Go Home. James Freak! Ow, that hurt. The best super glue for nails, by the way, these stayed all day, and these are my new favorite nails. What am I dropping? I keep dropping something. Oh, stuff's coming out of my hair, I think. Where'd those nails go? Fuck. Okay. First thing you do when you get out of drag is nails. What was I talking about? I don't even remember. Oh, the best super glue. Yeah, Naomi gave it to me. It's like the brush on crazy glue. That's the one. Hachu was like, yeah, that's the one too. Because Hachu did my hair. Thanks, Hachu. Yes.
You paint yourself though?
What?
You paint yourself?
Uh-huh.
It looks really good.
Thanks. I took my time. I like literally started at like 8 a.m.
Oh wow.
You look at that bald spot right there?
Ooh, from the wigs.
From the wigs.
From the wigs, girl.
So I just braided that. Obviously very clean part. Now I'm gonna braid this side. Merker. I get home about 2:45. Oops, I'm turning red. Who could this be? Oh, Rapunzel. I just know that having, oh, that's so good. Oh my god.
But I get what you're saying by having.
Yeah, like having some height with it.
Yeah. That down in the
yes.
with the little jab
yes. That with some height there is great. Love it.
Kind of like Chachi would do. Chachi.
Okay, I got these. I got that. One little track. I got those. Which are the things. And then braiding hair if you just want to like, whatever. Who's that? Hi, Jojo.
I got my mother here too.
Who, Raya?
Yeah.
Good, how are you?
Jojo, this is Hachu, my friend.
Hi, Hachu. Nice to meet you, babe.
Oh, you got Sean Videla up in here too. Y'all about to go off.
It's a Videla.
Oh, superstarring. Is she looking lovely? She's wet, honey.
Hi, this is Hachu, Raya.
Nice to meet you, babe.
Thanks. I feel like fat boa. But we just ate.
You don't look like a whore.
I just look fat, bitch.
Ooh.
Please,
Thank you.
Sure.
I love it.
Love it. Love you.
That Killian colored it for me, and then, ooh, oh, they stayed on all day. It was perfect. And then Hachu snatched it right up for me. And then Sean Videla shot us, of course. It's the Videla. Kissing shoulders. We had BTS shot for Mom. So look for that on Mom Plus Gold if you're a Mom Plus Gold. If you're a Mom Plus Gold member, I'm like, I'm hanging up my earrings now. So first off was nails, then earrings. Let's see if I can remember the order. Nails, earrings. Nails, earrings. What's next? Ooh, contacts. Contacts. Let me set up the contact solution first so I can put them in there. I always forget to do that, and then I'm holding one. I'm like, so set up your contacts before, like I'm some authority now. Yeah, so this is what you're gonna want. You're gonna want to set up your contacts before. I don't fucking know. I'm a fucking idiot. I'm a drag queen. That's not to say all drag queens are idiots at all. I shouldn't demote my. I don't fucking know. Stop making me think of the words. Stop making me think of the words like I'm here on YouTube against my own will. Stop making me think of the. Ooh. You didn't know it was a tearaway. Tearaway. I feel like some stones actually came off. I'm kind of worried actually now. Damn. Okay, Velcro. Good. Velcro good. It better not have ripped. I just got this. Nope, still good. I might have busted a seam. Yeah, I busted a seam, a little seam right there. Yeah, she busted a seam, but she big girl. I'm doing big activities and shit. Busting open my dress for you on the OnlyFans. Gorgeous, look at this stonework. Gorgeous, just gorgeous. Oh, gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. Do drag, you'll love it. Oh, do you want to see my now? Since we're here on OnlyFans? Yeah, let's do that. Aww. Aww. And for comparison size, this is a regular size paper clip. This is a normal paper clip. And this is my Aww. Wow, wow, wow. Yeah, Office Sheepo, honey. That's where I got this paper clip, huh? You want to see it in the Oh my god. Somebody send help. It hurts. I'm so beautiful. Touch me. Sweet kisses. You know how sometimes, like, as like fabulous fucking queer people stare, and they're just like, give them fucking something to look at if you're gonna fucking stare at me, or at least like let me have my war paint on while you're doing it, so I could like give you eyes back and be like, what's up, bitch? Yeah. Like in Pretty Woman when they wouldn't let her be a hooker at the polo match. Who's got the keys to the Jeep? Me? Ho.
Is it like
It is a safe place to hoe. Like there's box opportunities. Everybody gets on the pole at least once a night. Sometimes twice. I left my phone there on the table where you pay for to get in the back room. And I come back after walking back to my car 2 blocks to precinct. I was like, please let this phone still be there. It was there, and I was like, if this was WeHo, this would be totally different. And I was so happy I found it, I got another lap dance.
This is a wholesome place. You guys deserve my patronism.
It was a wholesome place, and they got some of my hole.
Yeah.
What color lip does Rue have in this promo? Is it red? It's like neutral.
Yeah.
Okay.
Is this like a new photo or is it a whole photo?
Girl, I don't know, but they sure did take a Sharpie on that jawline.